If you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, but you just feel like you're too old, like it's too busy, it's not for you, then this video is here for you. Look, I'm only a few months into my YouTube journey. I have about maybe 40 subscribers. I'm not making any money yet on YouTube, but even in these few months, here's what I've learned and why I think you should start too. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Johnny. I went from sales to software engineering and now I'm growing my YouTube channel. So first things first, why did I start YouTube? And why do I think you should start too, especially getting close to 2026? Well, number one, I think it's pretty cool that I get to document the entire journey from scratch all the way to wherever it takes me. I want to build long-term freedom. I want to build time and I want to be financially free. YouTube also lets you build something even when you're busy, even when you feel too old. And if you've seen my videos before, you know that I love to DJ, you know that I love software engineering. And then I found my passion for YouTube and learning all things YouTube. And with YouTube, you can turn any of those passions into a business over time. Another benefit of why you should start YouTube is that you learn a ton of new skills. I mean, right now I'm learning how to make thumbnails, how to script, how to talk in front of a camera, how to market myself. I'm trying to reduce my ums and my likes. I'm trying to reduce mistakes on camera. So I'm learning all that stuff. I'm learning tons of stuff about building a personal brand. So you get to learn that too. Not to mention all the video editing. You know, you have to cut, you have to trim, you have to master, you have to add audio to it. You have to add basic transitions. All in all these skills are great, especially in the new age of social media, content creation, and just making your videos better every time you do it. Another reason why I think you should start YouTube is YouTube is only going to get bigger. More people are watching YouTube than actual television and cable TV. So basically YouTube is becoming the new TV. And unlike social media, your videos stay searchable forever. Basically they grow over time, and that makes it evergreen platform. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. I just wanted to step right in and just let you know about my free YouTube quick start checklist that you can actually launch this weekend, even if you have a packed schedule. Honestly, I wasted about 2 weeks trying to overthink and just figure everything out, and I wanted to put it all together in this quick checklist to get your first 5 videos up and running. So check that out in the link in the description below, and let's get back to the video. You also build systems and you learn how to be consistent. So if you're consuming content, there's a lot of YouTubers that are teaching you how to create workflows because they're learning it over time. You learn how to create a posting routine. You then become more efficient, more disciplined through the repetition. You start delivering your thoughts better. You start to have better storytelling. You become more confident in the way that you're presenting yourself, and more so, you're bringing your personality. This confidence part helps you in everywhere, whether it's YouTube, whether it's your job, or whether it's your personal life. It's important. When you start a YouTube channel, you start to build a community and some real connections. You meet other creators, you attract people with similar goals. If you join a community as well, there's a lot of people that are willing to help, and it just keeps growing and growing, that community aspect of it. It's like you start building a supportive ecosystem, which in turn, people then start following you and following your journey as you're documenting it or as you're sharing your skills. You then start to create long-term opportunity. And this is where I'm at. This is why I'm making YouTube videos. This is the most important part, right? Is to create those opportunities that will come. And for me is I'm trying to have doors open, have YouTube open those doors for ads, for affiliates, for digital products, coaching, brand partnerships, and most importantly, a business that you can scale over time. That's my goal. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing YouTube. But the best part of all these, more than what I've already mentioned, is that you can just be messy, right? What does it mean be messy? Or maybe I should put it, you can start messy. You don't need any fancy cameras. You don't need the perfect gear. You learn by posting, by actually posting, not just the planning part. That's where I got stuck, is that planning portion. Where you start learning is when you're actually doing the videos, because every video teaches you something new. So if you've been thinking about starting YouTube, especially as we're getting close to 2026, this is your sign. Start small. You don't have to be perfect, but just start. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be sharing my journey. I'm going to be sharing everything in between and just documenting my wins and my losses. If you also didn't see my quick start guide that helps you launch from 0 to 5 videos, check that out in the link below. Also, if you didn't get a chance to look at my last video on how to set up your YouTube channel, check that out right here.